The green gold rush, avocado demand, and technological advancements. Avocados are everywhere. From breakfast to dinner, this versatile fruit has found its way into countless dishes and diets around the world. From toast to guacamole, this creamy fruit has skyrocketed in popularity. It's not just a trend, it's a global phenomenon that shows no signs of slowing down. Meeting this global demand requires serious technology. Advanced agricultural machinery and innovative farming techniques are now essential to keep up with the ever-growing appetite for avocados. Gone are the days of simple hand-picking. Today, farmers rely on state-of-the-art equipment to harvest avocados efficiently and effectively. We're talking massive orchards and high-tech machinery. These advancements have revolutionized the way avocados are grown, harvested, and brought to market. This isn't your granddad's farm anymore. Modern avocado farms are a blend of tradition and technology, ensuring that each fruit is grown to perfection. Let's dive into the fascinating world of avocado production. Think of it like a well-oiled machine, where every part plays a crucial role in delivering the perfect avocado. Each step from tree to table is optimized for efficiency. From planting and nurturing the trees to harvesting and processing the fruit, every stage is meticulously planned and executed. And this ensures we get ripe, delicious avocados year-round. The journey from the orchard to your table is a testament to the dedication and hard work of countless individuals. This isn't just about speed, though. Quality control is paramount, ensuring that only the best avocados make it to market. Technology also guarantees quality and sustainability. Green technology and sustainable farming practices are at the forefront of modern avocado production. It's a win-win for farmers, consumers, and the planet. Farmers benefit from increased efficiency, consumers enjoy high-quality avocados, and the environment is protected through sustainable practices. So, next time you enjoy an avocado, remember the amazing journey it took to get to your plate. From the orchards to your table, it's a story of innovation, dedication, and a love for this incredible fruit. From orchard to factory, harvesting avocados with a modern touch. The journey of an avocado from the orchard to your table is a fascinating blend of tradition and innovation. Traditional hand-picking still exists, especially on smaller farms. Farmers climb ladders and use their hands to select the best avocados, ensuring each fruit is picked at its peak ripeness. Workers use ladders and special tools to carefully pluck ripe avocados. These tools help them reach the highest branches and pick the fruit without damaging it. But let's be real, this method is slow and labor-intensive. It requires a lot of manpower and time. Enter the machines. These modern marvels are transforming the way we harvest avocados. Large-scale avocado operations now rely on automated harvesters. These machines can cover vast areas of orchards in a fraction of the time it takes for manual labor. Imagine giant robotic arms gently plucking avocados with precision. These machines are equipped with advanced sensors to detect the ripeness of each fruit. These machines are changing the game. They are not only faster, but also more efficient, reducing the chances of fruit damage during harvesting. They work tirelessly day and night to harvest avocados at their peak ripeness. This ensures that the avocados are always picked at the right time, maintaining their quality and taste. This technology minimizes waste and increases efficiency. By sorting and picking only the ripest avocados, these machines help reduce the amount of fruit that goes to waste. Plus, it frees up human workers for other tasks. With machines handling the bulk of the harvesting, workers can focus on other important aspects of farming, such as maintenance and quality control. It's a perfect example of how technology complements traditional farming practices. By combining the best of both worlds, we can ensure a steady supply of high-quality avocados for everyone to enjoy. Sorting the green gems technology ensures quality and consistency. Once harvested, avocados embark on a journey to sorting facilities. Here, the real magic happens. Advanced machines, equipped with optical sensors, come into play. These high-tech sorters analyze each avocado with incredible accuracy. They assess size, weight, color, and even ripeness. It's like an avocado beauty pageant. This meticulous sorting process guarantees consistency for consumers. Want perfectly ripe avocados for your guacamole? No problem. Need firm avocados for your salad? They've got you covered. This technology ensures that only the best avocados make it to your grocery store. Section 4, peeling back the process. How machines prep your avocado toast. Ever wonder how those pre-packaged avocado slices stay so perfect? It's all thanks to automation. Machines have taken over the tedious and time-consuming tasks of peeling, pitting, and slicing. Specialized blades and water jets remove the skin and pit with surgical precision. It's mesmerizing to watch. This level of automation is a game changer for food processors. It increases production speed while maintaining strict hygiene standards. Plus, it reduces waste by utilizing as much of the avocado as possible. Talk about efficient and delicious. Section 5. Packaging perfection. Automation ensures freshness and convenience. Packaging plays a crucial role in preserving the freshness and quality of avocados. Automated systems have revolutionized this step as well. Machines precisely weigh and fill containers, ensuring consistent portions. They then seal the packages airtight to prevent spoilage. From individual servings to bulk orders, there's a packaging solution for every need. Some packages even come with special ripening technology to slow down the process. This ensures that your avocados are perfectly ripe when you need them. Convenience and freshness, all thanks to technology. Section 6. The global avocado highway transportation and storage solutions. Avocados are a global commodity, traveling from farms to tables around the world, connecting people through food. Sophisticated logistics networks and temperature-controlled transportation ensure their freshness throughout the entire journey. Refrigerated trucks and shipping containers maintain optimal conditions, preventing premature ripening and spoilage. Once they reach their destination, avocados are stored in climate-controlled warehouses, ensuring quality. These warehouses use advanced sensors to monitor temperature, humidity, and ethylene levels precisely. This careful management prevents spoilage and extends shelf life, ensuring that consumers enjoy delicious avocados year-round every season. Section 7. A sustainable future technology's role in responsible avocado production. The avocado industry faces significant challenges, including excessive water usage and widespread deforestation. These issues not only threaten the environment, but also the long-term viability of avocado farming. However, advancements in technology offer promising solutions for more sustainable practices. Modern farming technology is revolutionizing the way avocados are grown, harvested, and distributed. Precision irrigation systems, for instance, deliver water directly to the roots of the avocado trees, significantly minimizing water waste. This method ensures that each tree receives the exact amount of water it needs, promoting healthier growth and conserving precious water resources. Additionally, data analysis tools help farmers optimize the use of fertilizers and other inputs. By analyzing soil health and plant needs, farmers can apply the right amount of nutrients, reducing environmental impact and enhancing crop yields. Furthermore, blockchain technology is being utilized to track avocados from farm to table. This ensures that the produce is sourced ethically and traded fairly, providing transparency and building trust with consumers. Consumers can now scan a QR code on their avocado to trace its journey from the farm to their table. This promotes transparency and accountability within the industry, allowing consumers to make informed choices about the food they eat. By embracing these technological advancements, the avocado industry is not only addressing its current challenges, but also paving the way for a more sustainable and delicious future. The integration of technology in farming practices ensures that avocados can be enjoyed for generations to come without compromising the health of our planet.